Cars PH. When we talk about value for money EV, you'll think of Nanobox or ice cream. Let's all welcome the new member of the club, Dongfeng Namibox. It is like the size of a Mini Cooper but priced at only 1.2 million with a 430km range. Dongfeng Namibox carries a lot of style and personality, especially sa headlights, sa rear lights nito at sa floating roof design. Wala itong mga sharp edges sa design. Instead, meron itong mga soft edges which looks very approachable and fun. The length of this car is 4 meters, which means it's a small car but pays attention to space dahil it has a roomy cabin to the passengers and has a decent cargo space despite of it being a small car. The size of the Namibox cargo is enough with 326 to 945 liters of space. You have a grayscale interior, and with its cost, it's really acceptable to have this kind of material. You'll have a quilted pattern sa pinto at sa dashboard, which makes it interesting to look at. Sa doors naman, one of a kind ito para sa EV. Frameless doors lahat ng pinto ng Namibox. Parang sports car ang dating. Surprisingly with its price, meron itong malaking screen with 360-degree camera and auto park function. One thing interesting ay ang glove compartment nito na parang bag yung design but when you open it, it's actually a drawer. Meron din itong wireless charger, malaking infotainment system at sobrang smooth ito i-operate, hindi siya lag. Gaya ng karamihan ng EV, press mo lang ang brake pedal, ready to go na. Sa likod naman, sobrang comfortable ng seats nito at hindi mo feel na compact EV ito. Tapos ang gear selector nito ay nasa likod lang ng steering wheel. Sa likod naman ng center console, meron itong Namibox na logo. We would like to thank Dongfeng Alabang for letting us test drive this unit. If you are interested to test drive this unit, please contact them at the numbers below.